Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to disable the Rakuten extension in your browser. If you've been using Rakuten for cashback shopping but it's starting to slow things down or you just don't need it anymore, this guide will get you sorted in no time. It's a simple process that works on most browsers, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, let's start with Google Chrome, since it's the most popular one. Open up your Chrome browser. That's the one with the colorful icon. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From there, hover over More Tools, and then select Extensions. This will take you to a page where all your installed extensions are listed. Now, scroll through the list until you spot the Rakuten extension. It might have a shopping cart icon or something similar. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle switch that says Enabled. Just click that switch to turn it off. The extension is now disabled. If you want to go a step further and remove it entirely, click the Remove button below it. What if you're using a different browser like Firefox or Edge? The process is very similar. In Firefox, for example, click the three horizontal lines in the top right, go to Add-ons and Themes, and then find the Extensions section to disable Rakuten. For Edge, head to the Settings menu and look under Extensions. And just like that, you've freed up some space and potentially boosted your browser's speed. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your browser or double-check that the extension is actually installed. That's all for today. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.